So other day I have seen you gifting bicycles to orphans, and I have seen you have become an brand ambassador to one of the jewelry something. So our first check though, you have done so much through charity. So I just wanted to ask, చాలా మందిని బయట చూస్తుంటాం, and it's a usual thing that people say గొప్ప గొప్పవారి కడుపులో గొప్పవారే పుడతారని. So Mahesh Babu garu and your mom, we have seen doing so much, heart operation, something like that. So meeku inta chinna age lo, no matter your parents being that strong and whatever it is, but నీకు ఎప్పుడు ఆ థాట్ వచ్చింది that I wanted to help people అని చెప్పేసి at this age, that too?
Yes. I really wanted to help kids get education because I think it's really important for a kid to have education and books, especially because I love reading. I love getting more knowledge, and I feel like every kid needs that.
Hello, Sitara.
Hi! You're
How
so
are you?
cute!
Thank you. What's your favorite book or movie and why?
I love Clueless. It was a 2000s rom-com, and me and my mom, we watch a lot of these movies together. So it's like a nice comfort bonding moment for us.
సో చాలా మంది యంగ్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్ కి మీరు ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ గా ఉన్నారు కదా. సో వాళ్ళకి మీరు మీ నుంచి ఒక సజెషన్ ఏం చెప్తారు?
One thing I would say is that be open-minded and don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone.
సో యాక్చువల్గా మీరు సోషల్ మీడియాలో కూడా చాలా యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటారు కదా. సో హౌ కెన్ యూ బ్యాలెన్స్ స్టడీస్ ఇంకా సోషల్ మీడియాని ఎలా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తారు?
So every time I get home, first I finish all my homework and then I'll see maybe if I can make a few reels, one or two.
Okay. Hello Sitara, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. So if you want to play your dad's role on the screen, so మీరు ఏది చూస్ చేసుకుంటారు and ఎందుకు?
I'd love to play Sita Rama Raju from Kaleja.
Wow.
మీ సీక్రెట్